Zach, but speaking for the family, we all agree. We loved you having you around. You're a smart, talented guy with a great future and a perfect match for our daughter. Sienna and I couldn't be more proud to officially welcome you into our town and our family as you begin yours with Kelly's.
And here we look at each of you, what you bring to your marriage, the God-given gifts and talents and qualities. And I asked you guys how you would describe each other, you may remember, when we talked. And Kelly described Zach this way: he makes me more adventurous, he can't sit still, he keeps me from being stuck in a routine, all kinds of new stuff he loves to do, it's impossible to stay mad at him. And Zach described Kelly this way: she keeps me in line. You shouldn't do that, Zach, and she's right. She helps him get out of his comfort zone.
When I met Kelly over 7 years ago and she came to my house and met my family and me, I knew she could handle both Zach and everything that came along with him. Kelly compliments Zach in all the best ways. She's patient, but she has resolve. She's practical, but she's spontaneous and fun. Most importantly, Kelly and Zach encourage each other to make decisions that I know will ultimately lead to their respective happiness and to be the people that they want to be.